Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are making a Ramzan special, that is Shahi Tukda. This is very easy sweet dish. So if you want to know how to prepare this, then keep on watching. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. First, in a kadai I have taken 1 cup of sugar, and for this I'll be adding 1 cup of water, that is 1:1 ratio. For the flavorings we will add around half a tablespoon of elaichi powder and let this boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see we have arrived at 1 string consistency thickness of a sugar syrup. This is the perfect consistency, so we will switch off the flame and we will keep aside our sugar syrup. Next, in a kadai I have taken 2 cups of milk. This is a full white milk. For 2 cups of milk, let this come to the boil. Once it has come to the boil, I am adding around half a cup of condensed milk. On other words, you can say it's around 2 tablespoons. Add the condensed milk, give it a good mix and let this come to the boil again. We need to reduce the milk into half, like we have added 2 cups, so it need to reduce to 1 cup. So just give it a good mix. Once it has come to the boil, I am adding saffron milk. I have soaked the saffron in warm milk for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see the milk has reduced to half and our rabdi is ready for our Shahi Tukda. Just give it a good mix. Scrape out all the cream into the milk and let this cool completely before serving. While it is cooling down, we will prepare our bread. So I have taken a bread and I am cutting into triangles. I have made 4 triangles from a single bread. Usually it will be made into 2. So if you want, you can cut into 2 and you can use, but I like it to be small, so I have made it to 4. My oil is hot enough, so I'll be just deep frying my bread pieces. For this, the flame has to be in a medium flame. If it is too low, the bread will soak more oil. If it is too hot, it will be black suddenly. So just fry it in medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it is brown, just take out, remove the excess oil. Soak our fried bread in the sugar syrup just for 30 seconds. If you soak more, our bread will be soggy, so we need it to be crispy. So just soak it for 30 seconds and remove it. Now we will arrange our Shahi Tukdas. So take the sugar soaked fried breads in a tray, and on top of this we will add the leftover sugar syrup, around 1 tablespoon. If you don't like more sweet, you can skip this as well. So I am adding just 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup, and we will add the rabdi, which is completely cool for half an hour. It should not be hot here, it should be completely cooled down. Next we will add our dry fruits. I have taken chopped pista and badam. So just add the nicely chopped pista and badam on top of the Shahi Tukda and serve immediately. Don't soak in rabdi for too much. It will become very soggy. So once you are soaking in rabdi, serve it immediately. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe and like this video and also comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video.